What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Burre Collins, back with another video, back with another banger, back with another unboxing. Please hit the like button if you're new to this channel. We are almost at 500 subscribers. Literally, we're like at 490 something. So I need your help. Go ahead, get me to 500 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you can stay tapped in with the channel. I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. To all my day ones, everybody that's been rocking with me, we are almost at 500 subscribers. So thank you. I appreciate you guys for spending your time with me. Now, let's get into the box. This box, I almost showed my address. This box right here, I almost opened up in my last review, which I'll put a card somewhere up here. I opened up this box in that review thinking it was the other shoe, which it wasn't. But I haven't looked at the shoe yet. So let's go ahead and get into the box. By the box, you should know what it is. It's a Jordan 1. It's the OG box. We got a Jordan 1 Retro Low OG. Black. Bleached coral white. Man, I got this shoe over a month ago, and it's just been sitting here. And my bad for that. You know what I mean? Like, I really got to stay on top of it, but I just got behind. And then I had to do what was most relevant just to the channel. But I'm backlogging and I'm unboxing the rest of these boxes. And this is the last pair. I have a couple other pairs of shoes that I haven't shown on the channel that I've already unboxed. I'll end up doing like on-foot looks. An on-foot look of the Chicago Lost and Found. Get this video to 20 likes so I can go ahead and drop this video. I'm actually making a video today because I trust that you guys are going to get me to 20 likes. But go ahead, when you guys get me to 20 likes, then I'm going to drop the video. Alright, let's get into the box. Like I said, I appreciate you guys for rocking with me. We're a growing channel here. You want to see the box? You see the Nike stamp. It says swoosh at the bottom of it. But yeah, we're a small growing channel, so I appreciate y'all for rocking with me. Wow. Yo. Wow. I hit these on one of the Nike restocks. I wanted the shoes, it was great timing. I missed it on the original release. Okay. So, you got different materials on this thing. OG cut. Alright, these are dope. These are super dope. Spare laces. Bleached Coral Air Jordan 1 Low OG. You could tell by the cut. The Wings logo in the back. Beautiful shoe. Beautiful shoe. On the toe box, you got the bleached coral. Now this leather right here is like the cracked leather. This leather, actually, it's kind of funny that I'm unboxing this. This is kind of like the leather that's on the Lost and Found. So it's like a crack. It's kind of like a cracked leather. On the toe box, it's a nice. Is that suede? I would say it's suede. Short-haired suede leather. Then you got just your regular leather panel right here. The Nike swoosh. It's a soft leather. It's not really tumbled or anything, but it's not bad. I like this shoe, man. I really do like this shoe. Like I said, it comes with spare laces, so you get a black lace, and then you get a bleached coral lace. Beautiful shoe. Beautiful, beautiful shoe. I don't see really any like quality control. A little bit of glue, but nothing crazy. Yeah. No quality control issues on this shoe. I'm gonna set this one to the side. I'll grab the other one real quick. It says, please note, natural cracks seen on the upper is normal due to random Crackle ink application. Crackle ink application. Okay. Well, somebody get in the comments and tell me what that means, because I don't know what that means. The other shoe looks great, though, honestly. You got a black on the bottom. You got bleached coral on the insole. I don't know if you can see that. Bleached coral on the insole. You come down the tongue. It's just you got your nylon tongue. Bleached coral Nike Air. And then on the back, you got that same suede. This is a good shoe. This is a really good shoe. I'm happy I got this. Retail pickup. Retail. Ladies and gentlemen, if you can get a shoe retail, get a shoe retail. Don't go crazy on these shoes. I mean, if you love the shoe, buy it by all means. But don't fall into the hype. Don't go broke buying these shoes. You know what I'm saying? Don't do it. Because a lot of the time, especially nowadays, we're starting to see these shoes come back around and recycle and resurface. So, you know what I'm saying? I caught this on the restock. Super dope, clean shoe. You guys get down in the comments. Tell me what you think about this shoe. Is this a shoe you passed on? Is this a shoe you go back for and cop? I don't really have a use for it during this time of the season, so it's gonna sit for a little while. But maybe next summer or something, man. You know what I mean? Anyways, get down in the comment, man. If you guys want to see these on feet, man, give me, I don't want to say 20 likes just because this shoe released like 2 months ago. Give me the 10 likes, man. I will make it really easy. I know I got a growing channel, so get me the 10 likes and I will do an on-foot look for this shoe. And if you guys want to see the on-foot look to the Jordan Lost and Found one more time, get this video, the one that I posted, the card right up here. Get that video to get it to 20 likes, man. It's your boy Burre Collins. I appreciate y'all. I've already tapped in. Now I'm tapping out. Peace, you guys. Y'all have a blessed day.